for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. I've got something cute for you to draw today.
Yeah.
It's something you've seen in the pet store.
Yeah.
You're excited.
Greetings, little artists.
We're going to draw a hamster.
Wow. Oh.
Remember when we saw one in the pet store? Well, he's excited.
It's a lovely day to create some art. Are you ready to make some art?
We're ready, Betty. Let's get going and draw this hamster.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start with the left cheek. And now the right cheek. Very good. Let's draw a curve from the top of the left cheek up and across. And then on the right side, down and join the right cheek. Now at the bottom on the left, let's draw a little hamster hand. It'll all make sense soon, Mikey. Now let's draw the right hand. Now let's curve up towards the top. And on the right, do the same. Curve up towards the top. And join the two arms together. Now let's do the eyes. Left eye first, and then the right eye. Let's do a little moon shape inside and we'll colour it in black. Same on the left side. Now let's do his nose. We'll draw a little triangle. That's right. Down to a point. And now let's shade it in black. Now let's do a little W for his mouth. And hamsters have big teeth, so let's draw some teeth. 1, 2. Let's do his right ear. We'll start at the top, curve around and come back down to join the head. Left side now. Come back and around and do the little curve for the ear.
Oh.
You ready for a joke break?
What's a dentist's favorite time? Tooth hurty.
That was a pretty good one, Mikey. Should we carry on?
Okay.
Tooth hurty. Come on, let's carry on.
Okay.
Let's do 2 curved lines that come down from the head. An outer one and an inner one. And we'll do that same on the left. Outer, inner. Now let's do some hamster feet. Left foot first, 3 little toes. And his right foot with 3 little toes. He's looking really good. Maybe some hair on the top. And some whiskers. 3 on the right, 3 on the left.
Wow, this is amazing!
It's pretty good, Mikey. Now, last of all, we're going to draw a circle just next to the hamster. Can you tell what this is going to be? We'll do another circle inside, and then lots of spokes, because this is a wheel. Can you tell what kind of wheel? It's a hamster wheel that hamsters love to run around in. Finished. He looks so cute, Artie. Let's colour him in. You finished. He came out so good.
Yeah.
I love that you only needed to use 2 colours, just brown and orange.
Yeah.
It looks so effective, and I especially love his big teeth.
Woo.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later.
See you later, Betty and Mikey. Okay, Artie, it's time to say goodbye to the little artists. Have an Artie day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.